Welcome to another in a series of video tutorials. This one is going to cover expanding and collapsing the menu in the Oracle Navigator. By now everybody should be familiar with the Oracle Navigator, and if you're not, that's okay. That's the purpose of this video. I'm going to take you through and explain the most efficient way to navigate within the Oracle Navigator using the buttons, the collapse and expand buttons along the left hand side, as well as just clicking your way through the menu. So let me go ahead and start now. I'm just going to go ahead and expand a few of these menus, and you'll notice that there's a top level, and when there's submenus underneath, there's a plus sign. So as I click on the plus sign, the menu expands even further to show all values that are underneath. So again, going back up, if I click on them again, it collapses the menu till I get all the way to the top. So what we're looking at now is exactly where we started, and you'll notice the plus signs. But also I want to call your attention along the left side of the Navigator. There's some additional buttons, plus, minus, a plus sign with an arrow, a double plus, and a double minus. Those are the expand and collapse that are really going to be the focus of this video tutorial. And what they do is they allow you to frequently, or they allow you to drill down quicker into the menu that you need. So I'm going to go ahead and from the top level expand it to show you what it does. So by clicking on it, what it does is it just expands the menu one level, and I clicked on it a second time to expand to blow out the entire menu for invoices. Okay, so that's what we're looking at now, and by clicking on the collapse button, it collapses it one level at a time. But you'll notice that whatever level is highlighted is as far as it'll go to collapse. So now I want to click on the invoices and collapse it to collapse the entire menu. Now if I click on this menu, you'll notice what happened was whatever level of my menu was highlighted, in this case I was up on the invoices, and I clicked the expand all, it expanded the entire menu for the invoices, so I don't have to go through and double click on that. It does it for me. Okay, so as I scroll down through this, you'll see that it just expanded the menu for that one level, but there are other levels here as well. So let me go ahead and collapse this. Okay, from the top level I'm just going to collapse all the way up, and I'm going to do the same thing now, except I'm going to collapse all of them. I'm sorry, I'm going to expand all of them. And when I click on that, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down using the scroll bar on the right side. Now you'll notice the entire menu for every function is expanded, showing every navigation screen that we have available. And then there's also this, which is the collapse all button. And as I click the collapse all, the entire menu expands. So that's it. You'll notice that there are different ways that we can do it. We can use the buttons on the top. We can use the plus inside the menu itself, or we can use the most efficient way, which is the expand and collapse buttons on the left hand side of the screen. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video tutorial, and please check back more as we continue to build to our library.